Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and we would love to watch out for it. And also follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. We will be putting one or two updates for you guys on the channel. So, follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, let's take a look at what we should be expecting on Euro JPY. So let's start with the full trend, the bigger picture on GBP and Euro JPY. That is on our daily time frame. You clearly can see that market is clearly on an uptrend move. We all know market gives us three movements: a trending market to the upside, or a trading market to the downside, or a ranging market. So currently market is giving us a trending market to the upside. So the bigger picture is still to the upside. But what is market currently doing? That's our current movement, current trend is by going to our 4 hour time frame, and you will see that our current trend and what market is currently doing on Euro JPY is to the downside. So let's see on the 1 hour time frame. Since the 4 hour time frame is not really loading, 1 hour time frame is cool. So we clearly can see that this 1 hour time frame is clearly on a downtrend move. So clearly market has been trending to the downside. So we can see it. Let's start from here for quick analysis. Lower lows here, lower highs. You can see it. Lower lows here, lower highs, as you can see, lower lows here, and this is a lower highs, as you can see. So we should be expecting a new lower low. So market should continue to the downside. I'm going to give you guys an update on what next will happen, but for now market is still selling. So go ahead and sell. Follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link in the comment section.